I switch devices a lot, and honestly, I don't understand how people make long-term reviews without actually living with a device. That's never been my way. I like to experience the device the way it's meant to be used, daily. And after that, I make a long-term review of the device because I have the experience and I have experienced the device in every kind of scenarios. So for almost a month at this point, the OnePlus 15R has been my main device. No switching, no backup, just daily life. And to be very honest, the experience of using the OnePlus 15R is confusing. Not bad, not amazing. Just confusing. Let me explain why. Let's start design and in-hand feel. The first thing you will notice when you pick up the OnePlus 15R is the weight. I loved how the OnePlus 13 felt in hand. This one, it feels noticeably heavier. Now, don't get me wrong, the boxy design actually helps with the grip. It feels more secure, more confident. But after long usage, the weight starts to dig into your finger, and that's not a very comfortable feeling. Also, let's talk about build quality. I have been using the phone without any protection. No case, no screen protector, though I have also not removed the pre-applied one from the brand. But after a month of rough and real-world usage, there's no scratches, no scuffs, nothing. Even after sharing my pocket with my keys. That's impressive. The build quality is really solid. No complaints here. Let's talk about display and performance. The display though. This is where the OnePlus 15R shines. That 165Hz refresh rate paired with OxygenOS 16 is absolutely crazy. From scrolling social media to enjoying your favorite show. The display experience is amazing. Also, the display is more than visible under direct sunlight. Everything feels instant. Opening apps, switching between them, high FPS gaming. It's not just smooth, it's buttery smooth. And talking about performance is where the OnePlus 15R feels effortless. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, this phone handles everything smoothly. Gaming, multitasking, editing, whatever you throw at it. High FPS games run stable. App switching is instant. Editing photos and videos feel fast and responsive. Paired with the OxygenOS 16 and that 165Hz display, everything feels fluid, clean and incredibly smooth. Now let's talk about the battery. The OnePlus 15R features a 7400 mAh battery, which is the largest battery I have ever used on any smartphone. And sometimes I even forget when I last charged it. Honestly, as a heavy user, getting a 1.5 day on a single charge feels crazy. And thanks to the 80-watt fast charger, even this massive battery doesn't take long to top up. The OnePlus 15R features the perfect combination of big battery and fast charging. The battery experience of the OnePlus 15R is just perfect. Now, let's talk about cameras. I have recently compared it with the iPhone 15 and I have gone with every detail on this video. But here, going over the cameras in short. The camera experience overall is not bad, but it's not great either. The lack of a telephoto lens makes the camera system feel less intuitive. The 8-megapixel ultra wide, honestly, not impressive. But colors looks great, and portraits on the OnePlus 15R are actually really beautiful. So yes, it's not great, it's not bad either. It's a mixed bag. Plus key and software experience. And then there's the plus key. And honestly, I haven't even used it once. I still miss the alert slider. And even after a month, I'm not fully used to this change. OxygenOS 16 itself is fantastic. Faster than ever, smoother than ever, and clean as always. But that one hardware change, I still don't love it. So here's the final verdict. The OnePlus 15R is really a solid device with beautiful display, insane battery life and good enough cameras. It certainly is not perfect, but it's not bad either. It's confusing in a good way. So if you're searching for a phone around this price range, the OnePlus 15R is one you should really consider. And I recently made a video while comparing the OnePlus 15R with the iPhone 15. If you are interested, you guys can check that out. And if you guys have any question regarding the OnePlus 15R, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.